Good morning, all of you. Open your moral science book, page number 20. Our today's topic is time management. That means chapter number 5. Mention today's date. It's 23rd August 2021. So, time management is a very important topic. So, in this chapter, we will cover the value punctuality. Our routine includes many activities. Our activities and routine get affected if we fail to complete even one task on a time. That means if we don't complete a one task, then our routine and our activity affect a lot. Time is a valuable asset, as you know, and hence we need to learn to manage how time well in order to complete all our tasks successfully within the given time. So time management, that means we have to manage our time, we have to complete all the tasks in within the given time. One of the biggest advantage of time management is that it allows us to be more efficient by being in control of how we spend our time. We can focus better on important tasks, and better focus leads to a better efficiency. So if we manage our time, we will get so many advantage. We will use this time to enjoy, to do another task. So you know that time is extremely valuable. We cannot get back time once we have wasted it. So here one activity is given. So you have to write down your time in this activity, how much time you take to do this activity, like taking a bath, how much time you need to take a bath. So you have to write down that time in the given box. Wearing your school uniform, how much time you need to wear the uniform. During the online classes, you also wearing the uniform, so how much time you need to wear uniform. Combing your hairs, I guess boys need a little time to comb the hairs, but girls need more time to comb the hairs. Putting on your shoes, packing your school bags. Here, how much time you need to pack your school bag. Right now you are not packing your school bag, but make a habit that you just keep all the things on the proper place, so you will get it easily whenever you require it. Climbing the stairs to reach your class. Eating tiffin during the lunch break. As you know that the school will provide you 20 to 30 minutes for the lunch break, but how much time you need to finish your tiffin? So that time you have to write in the given box. Noting down the homework in the diary. When the teacher write down the homework on the blackboard, or when she told you that this work you have to do, how much time you need to note down all that homework, that time you have to write down in that block. I guess this activity is very easy, so you can do it and you will enjoy to do this. So time management is the ability of planning tasks well in advance and finishing those on the time. So what you have to do this, you have to write down all the time which you will want to for that activities, that like taking a bath, combing the hair. You have to write down the approximate time that you think that you need in that activity, and afterwards in the next day you have to watch that how much time you have written and how much time you have taken, so you will know that how good you are in the time management. You get the difference in the time taking by you and time written by you. So do this activity and enjoy this activity. So by the managing time well, you can finish your task without wasting the time. Otherwise, what happened? You will be rushed in the last minute. You said, ma'am, I have not done this work. Please give me one more time. Give me 1 minute whenever you return the exam. Ma'am, I have not done my question. Please give me one more minute. Please give me one more minute to write down the answer. Or you can say, ma'am, I have not done my project. Please give me 2 or 3 days to complete my project. So don't do this. Make your timetable and do your work on the time. In next class, we will read a story related to this topic. And afterwards you will understand the importance of managing time well. Till you just complete this activity in book by the pencil. Goodbye. Take care.